so clear.
Comes out of the ground at 135 degrees.
That looks deep over there.
And that's coming out from the center there, you know. Actually, these springs originate way up here in the Altric Mountains, way beyond these.
It's so clear. Wow. And how hot does it come out?
135.
Oh yeah. Look at that guy with clear wings.
This goes into these cooling ponds over here.
Over there where that water fountain is? Yeah.
And they cool that water down. And it's 100% mineral water. Then on the other side of the road, there's a pipeline goes down.
Uh-huh.
And they empty those pools every week and clean them.
Yeah.
And they mix the hot mineral water with the cold mineral water to get a perfect 97 degrees. That's what the water is, so you can swim in it.
So this water right here is hot.
Yep.
No, that's all right. I'll believe you. Oh, I can feel the heat coming off of it.
Yeah.
And the stench.
In the wintertime, it's pretty over here. This water, you get below zero,
Yeah.
and all the humidity over here, the trees are just covered with that white hoarfrost. They are beautiful, you know.
Bet.
See, the Indians used to winter here. At the end of August, actually it's the first weekend in August, they have what they call pageant days. They recreate and celebrate when the Indians sign this over to the government.
Uh-huh.
And the Indians are all camped in here with teepees.
What's that dome thing? Copper dome.
That's another swimming pool.
Oh, that's the indoor pool.
That's another indoor pool. They got an indoor and an outdoor as well. See their slide over to the right?
Uh-huh.
That used to be real pointed, and they called it the teepee pools.
Ah.
That's just cut from this water that makes it here. Falls off in the river there. They call it, when we get done here, we'll go around and I'll show you. We can walk. We'll take this walk around.
Okay.
Get out here. This bridge goes over the river.
Oh. You must be used to it.
Yeah, I don't smell it like I used to.
Holy moly. Yeah, it's a suspended bridge. And he thinks I'm going to walk across it. Did I ever tell you I'm afraid of heights?
Are you? Yeah, we won't have. I just thought you'd want a picture from here.
Yeah, I do, but
Somebody's died on this in the last 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Nice. Now what is this? More sulfury water?
Well, it's where the Terrace, the sulfur water dumps into the river. In the wintertime, you come down here,
Yeah.
where the water comes off, and it's big sheets of ice.
Trying to show you that right there. What is all that slick stuff here?
The white stuff?
Yeah.
That's the mineral buildup.
Yellow.
Yep. Don't panic, you're gonna be fine. And see how the the minerals make the color.
Yeah.
There's orange and red and greens in there.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Beautiful in the wintertime when they're all iced up.
How pretty. And that's stinky water too, huh?
No, this is just river water.
Oh,
But
okay.
see, the stinky water actually it jumps in the river here,
Oh, I see.
and then it dissipates, you know.
So it comes off of this.
Yeah.
Right
See it
here.
coming from under the walkway there?
No.
See where it's real shiny right over here where it's red?
Yeah.
That's that water coming out of that pond
Oh.
there. And it's seeping into here, then it goes on into the river.
I see. Wow, that's pretty cool.
You had all the swinging bridge you can handle? All right, let's go.
Yeah. Well, I got out here quite a ways, huh?
Yeah.
So this right here is the hot water.
Yep. This probably cooled down a bit by the time you get there.
Wow.
But in the wintertime, this is all steam in here.
Oh, I bet. Now, is that all like crustacean hard?
Yeah.
It looks like it'd be slimy.
Like over here, this is why they call it the terraces. It comes over, then terraces
Patch
down.
of grass out there.
Yeah. Island.
Yeah. You'd think I've been drinking the way I walk, huh? All I've had's coffee, I promise. Morning.
I told you about putting that whiskey in your coffee.
I know.
The problem is you're putting coffee in the whiskey these days.
Probably not. I was taking pictures before we were standing above where all this is coming down on these terraces. And that's the bridge we were on when I was scared out of my mind. Swinging thing. Pretty cool place, Thermopolis, Wyoming. Pretty cool place.
It's right over there. See that? Put a quarter in and get some food. They're used to people coming over here and feeding them.
Fishy, fishy, fishy. Wow.
There's a white one coming on the right.
Oh, yeah. Wow. That's crazy. I've never seen so many goldfish in one place, not even in a store.
I'll take you down here. This is down here. The kids call this the green eye.
White Sulphur Spring. They call it the green eye?
Yeah, they dive off this cliff into the water.
Who,
And
the
then there-
kids?
Yeah. And then there's some stairs down there. They come back up from the river on.
Oh. And they call it the green eye.
The kids call it that.
Why?
God, I spent a lot of good summertime up there with
I did too.
your grandmother and your grandfather.
Just about every summer we were there.
Yeah,
with them.
I was usually there almost 2 weeks every summer.
Yeah. Don't go too close, because I'm not coming to save you.
Kids used to get on this rock here and jump in.
What rock?
Right here.
I don't see a rock.
That wall.
Oh,
See
the
this
wall?
And then right over here is where they get out, swim over and get out. Wild sunflowers.
Yeah, pretty. How come it's like in swirls? Looks like a clamshell.
Must have been some current there, see?
Oh.
That water probably came out of right there, that hole.
Really?
Amazing stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a big dormant spring up here, I'm sure, is where that water originated and came over the top into here. Every once in a while, rain will come through and it'll rumble all that sediment loose. It'll fall down on the track. It's actually swept the train cars into the river before.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, cool house down there. Neat. Cool. So that used to be full of water.
Yeah, that's hot bubbling water. Big spring here and over here.
This whole great big hole.
Yep. That's where it came from.
Wow. That is crazy. Spirit hole. Ooh. Good spirits or bad spirits?
Pardon me?
Good spirits or bad spirits?
Grab if you have a ranch, you know,
Yeah.
they will give you a small herd of buffalo.
Really?
And you have to share you have to split your calf crop every year with them.
With the state of Wyoming? Wow.
There they are over there on the hill, I think. See them?
No? Those black spots?
Yep. We'll drive right by it.
Okay.
You can get out and wave your red cape.
And you spotted those quick.
I bet you they're laying up there where they're catching a nice breeze, you know. Just right out there's a point you can pull out and a bench you can sit on. Sorry, Danny never had a chance to come and antelope hunt with us. That would have been fun. Next year, why don't you just put in for a doe antelope tag?
Yeah.
Come out, shoot a doe antelope. You can buy two.
I couldn't. After I look in those eyes, I couldn't shoot that poor little thing. I know. I always told Danny, bye, honey. Don't come home without an antelope. Oh yeah, I love antelope.
I can buy 4 of those licenses. So if you'll come, we'll go out and shoot one.
I won't shoot.
I said I will.
Okay.
We'll process it.
But that's in the winter time. It's snowing.
No, that doe season opens August 15th through November 15th.
So it's open now.
Yeah.
Well, go.
I didn't buy any tags this year.
Doe.
All I have is doe deer tags, and they open September 1st.
You knew I was coming.
We'll have them next year.
Okay.
And even if you can't make it,
Yeah.
my friends Sharon or Debbie and Bill
Yeah.
that you met,
Yeah.
I'll process it and send it back to them. They're going to be here December 1st this year to hunt cow out.
There they are, huh? Sneaking up on them. Gotta whisper. It's a hunting video. Used to make Danny so mad when I'd do that.
What's that?
He'd be watching a hunting video and I'd walk through and they're whispering. I'm going, okay, so I'm gonna walk. Oh, he didn't like that.
We'll come a couple more times, see if we can catch them close to the road before you go.
Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that what you count?
Yep.